Well, good morning, sunshine. So I'm just gonna do a price comparison of the chicken and stuff. So we'll see what's the difference between Sam's and the regular stores. So like this is, look how much it is, $20. And yeah, like $20. So this is Sam's gas station. It's kind of crowded today, but I have to put gas. Look, 3 right there. This is Sam's gas station. It's kind of crowded today, but I have to put gas. Look, 3 right there. I know I went shopping yesterday, but I'm just lazy to cook anything. So I just got some hot wings. And how come they don't give you ranch anymore? And I got this breads. I had rewards, so I got this free. It's funny because they don't give you well, they don't even give you a ranch dressing, but I have ranch. Hello, Neveah. This is my little party by myself. Me and Neveah. And just watching TV. So the bread is very good. I got the one with the jalapeno inside. I'm sorry, I look a mess, but I'm just had a long week. And these are not the best anymore. Maybe I could cook it longer. And then, I don't know, like, remember like in the bowling alley, their wings are usually good. But I'm gonna eat it anyway. Doing a Sunday morning walk with Neveah. Good morning, gang. Sun shines. Oh. She's happy. She just finished taking a shower. So I just dry her off the best I can, but we're in Hawaii. She don't need to be blow dried. Not that I know of. Or do you? Okay. Okay, come on. That's her exercise for the day.
This pattern is one of my favorites.
Where are you going? Come on. Come on. What you doing? She's having the zoomies. She happy she went shower. Is that your exercise for today? So we're just cleaning up, trying to get, my house chores, because I'm only going to be off on Sundays now, because I picked up another shift for my second job. So, because I figure I just sitting around on my day off, so at least I can come home, go work early and then come home early. Hi, what you paw already? So yeah, so I'll be off only 1 day a week. Hello, Neveah. She had some steak for breakfast because I made some steak for myself. She eating good. This one.
What do you think we should make?
Drink water.
We need to showcase the bakery
I'm gonna make her some water. So I just give her some of this water. She like fresh. That's the second time I gave her water this morning, but that's good. She drinking water. Some days she has good days, some days bad days. So today is a good day. Last night was a good day. We didn't have no bites or anything. So I did give her some medicine yesterday. So maybe that's, yeah, it's so hard to know if you're doing the right thing for your dog. You can only try your best. So, yeah. Yeah? What you gonna do now? What you gonna do now? She's thinking, what am I gonna do now? Angel table here. That was my sister Yvette's one. So I gotta find another thing. I think I do have another thing for this printer, and then I'm gonna put this closer to my chair so I can put my coffee on there. But yeah, it's so cute, yeah. Look at that. It's an angel table. Like the popcorn. Okay, so I came here for collagen sticks. Chicken sticks.
No, I
Yeah, I
don't.
gotta check.
Food!
Collagen, premium dog treats. $10. It says chicken, but beef hide. What is beef hide? I gotta look. Oh my god, look at this. This is a cat stuff, but look, it's like sushis. So cute. Cute. So the collagen sticks was made with some beef raw hide, and I don't want that. I just want the collagen because it can cause a lot of stuff going on in her stomach, so we're not getting that one. Just want to see, it's a little bit empty in here today. I guess maybe they're getting ready, or I don't know. But we're at Marshalls. We're gonna go TJ Maxx to look for her collagen sticks. That's where we found it the last time. Okay, alrighty guys, so we're gonna try TJ Maxx. The first store was Marshall's, and it was pretty empty, the shelves. Not too sure. Maybe they have a clearance sale and they got rid of all their stuff and they're getting ready for new stuff. Not too sure. But anyways, we're gonna check there for collagen sticks. Kind of empty the shelves here too. Is that time of year? I don't know. I've been working, so I'm not too in with what's going on at the shopping mall. Yep. Come on, sister, this way. I let her walk this one because so she can do some walking. Oh, look at these, are cute. Yeah, a lot of things is like empty. We're gonna go look at the dog treats. Come on, Neveah. Over here. Go ahead, sister. Oh, look at this. Remember these when we were in school? The bag. But this one comes with curlers and stuff. Cool. Alrighty, so we found a good one, or a better one. It doesn't have no rawhide in it. See? And I don't want rawhide. It has beef gelatin. So this is the one she had the last time. She liked it. Hopefully there's more. Oh yeah, right here. So we're gonna get her whatever they have. Yeah, we're gonna get her. Hey guys, so we're done with TJ Maxx and we got some stuff. $54 worth. Half of that was Neveah's collagen sticks. Whew, and my asthma is kind of bad. I have like my cough is like screaming. I don't know. It's just kind of sore when I cough now. Yeah, but I'm on prednisone. Come on, this way. The doctor gave me some prednisone, so I'm on steroids. So it's not technically a cough. I don't know what it is, but yeah, it triggered my asthma. Whew. Oh, whatever. I don't know. I'm not a doctor. But look at the sky. Ooh. Yep. I figure we go out for a drive and walk. So Neveah and I can get out the house at least. And I think I might end the video here. Right now we're at Kapolei Commons. Yeah. And I think I might end the video. Well, no, I'm going to show you my little haul first and then it'll be the end of the video. Okay, guys, so I'm home. We're just going to do a little haul. So I got this here. There wasn't too much of a selection at TJ Maxx. Everything was mostly white. So I got this one. It was actually on sale for $10. Made in green. So it was on clearance. $10, full size. This is my second. I only have one set. So this is my second one. And then I got this because I've been making my French press. This is also clearance. It is $13. I don't know the regular price. I don't know. Maybe 19. I don't know. Yeah. But yeah. Yeah, so it's kind of cute because it's like wooden. Open it and then shut it with that. So when I make my coffee tomorrow, and I think I might make some tea. My chest is kind of like yucky. And then some wipes for Neveah. Alcohol-free, coconut vanilla. So when she is like, you know, this is $3.99. Oh, she wants her treats. And we got her collagen sticks. Which one? This one? Okay. Hey, wait, let's see. You can't pick that one up. It's too heavy. So this one has 75 count. Okay, let me get it. 75 count was $17. Sit. She's gonna go and dig out. I see how you are. Okay, so this one is collagen salmon, and the other one is lamb. So always make sure that you're looking at the ingredients because I don't want no rawhide in her stuff at all. I don't want that. That's why I get the collagen sticks so that it's rawhide alternative dog chews. Always looking at your stuff, okay? Yeah. I don't eat lamb, but Neveah does. I ate lamb once, but never am I going to eat lamb. Anyway, guys and girls, that's my haul for today. And yeah, I'm gonna end this video here. I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.